Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again. It's been so long here with a Rugtake T5 Pro unboxing. Shout out to Rugtake for sending this one out. We have a full 120 Hz full HD display, 20,000 mAh battery, octa-core processor, great cameras here guys, and 20 megapixel night vision camera, Android 16 on board. Let's check out this bad boy. Guys, it's been such a long time, and I really do appreciate all the support from my recent comments on my video. But let's look at the specs once again of this T5 Pro from Rugtake. It's a pretty new company, and they just sent me this one out for review. Shout out to them. It's been so long, guys, to peel off the plastic of a new device, but check out what is included here. We have manuals, chargers, but we also have this very cool stand that I'm going to assemble in a later video. But they've really gone all out. Rugtake has gone all out to give you some incredible accessories for your rugged tablet use, and honestly, I'm very impressed with the full package here. But now talking about the display on this, an 11-inch 120 Hz full HD display. It is very bright. And once again, checking out the specs, you see there 6 gigs of RAM, guys, but expandable up to 26 gigs. And obviously that 20,000 mAh battery, which according to this is 499 hours rated. That is incredible, but that's why you have pretty thick design here. It's not uncomfortable to hold, but you're definitely going to want to build that stand for this rugged beast, which look at the back, it looks amazing. And of course we have the camping lights included here, and they get plenty bright. I think this is one of my favorite features of rugged phones, and this tablet is no different. Do not stare at that light. It is incredibly bright. But you have high, you have the medium setting, which is still plenty bright, and of course, most importantly, you do have the SOS feature, which if you're in an emergency, this could actually shine very brightly at night and could get you out of real serious issues. I love the camping lights on this tablet. They really are incredible. But definitely don't look at them. Bring it out to camp, but definitely don't look straight in your eyes to these. And talking again about that display, content consumption on this has been great. I've really enjoyed the colors. And yes, sometimes the videos max out at 720p, but I think for full HD viewing, if you have any full HD content to watch, this should do pretty well, all things considered, for a rugged tablet. And now, of course, we talk about the performance with this octa-core. It is a T8-200. I ran a quick Antutu test. These aren't really tablets designed for powerhouse use, as long as it just does what it can. 578, I think, is on the low end at this point, but respectable nonetheless. So initial thoughts, guys, on this T5 Pro. It's a solid rugged tablet for camping use, and I definitely do think if you're going to have this as an alternative tablet, you don't want to bring your iPad on that camping trip, and you want a bright, nice display with great camping lights, this is definitely one to consider. Thanks again to Rugtake for sending this one out. And that's it for this one. If you liked it, give me that thumbs up. And if you love the content of Frankie Tech, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon for future updates. It's been a long one, guys, but I'm definitely going to be coming back with some more great content. Stay tuned. Time to freeze this tablet up, go to the next level of testing. Frozen for 24 hours. So long, T5 Pro. No, I'm just kidding, guys. But stay tuned for more great content coming up soon. This is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one.